Okay, hi guys. So in this lecture, we'll be discussing on wave mechanical nature. So let's get started. So from de Broglie and Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it is clear that electron has wave dominating nature than particle nature due to its negligible mass. Okay, from de Broglie and Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it is clear that electron has wave nature, rather wave dominating nature than particle nature due to its negligible mass. Okay, and suppose this is positive axis, this is negative, and the wave, I am just drawing a wave. This amplitude is known is we are referring to as psi. So psi is nothing but amplitude of wave and this phi is a function of Schrödinger wave equation, and this is also known as wave function. Okay, so this model was proposed by scientist Schrödinger, in which he considered electron like a wave due to its negligible mass, and he proposed an equation named as Schrödinger wave equation. So this model was proposed by scientist Schrödinger, in which he considered electron like a wave due to its negligible mass and he proposed an equation named as Schrödinger wave equation. Okay, so constants of this equation are named as quantum numbers, and solution of this equation is represented in terms of phi, which is amplitude of electron wave. So constant of this equation named as quantum numbers, and solutions of this equation is represented in terms of phi, or which is amplitude of electron wave. So we have del square phi upon del x square. I am writing the Schrodinger wave equation. Del square phi upon del y square plus del square phi upon del z square plus 8 pi square m over h square multiplied with e minus rather v phi would be equals to 0. This is the Schrodinger's wave equation, where note that m is mass of electron, h is Planck's constant, then we have phi as wave function, which is nothing but amplitude of the wave. Then we have E, which is total energy of electron, and V, which is the potential energy of electron. Now also write it as U. It makes more sense to write it as U. Okay, so let's quickly move on to our new concept, which is quantum number, or quantum numbers rather. So to describe the location and energy associated with an electron, a set of 4 quantum numbers have been proposed, which are as follows. So we have first a principal quantum number, next we have azimuthal quantum number, next we have magnetic quantum number, and finally we have spin quantum number. So which are n, l, m and s. So these are constants of Schrodinger wave equation, and this is arbitrary. Okay, so just define it, the hierarchy, as we have an atom, then in atom we will have a shell, which is the principal quantum number, then we have a subshell, which is the azimuthal quantum number, which is L. So this is azimuthal quantum number, this is principal quantum number, then we have a orbital, which is magnetic quantum number denoted by M. Okay, so this is AZI, azimuthal quantum number. I think I previously spelled it as azimuthal. It's not azimuthal, it's azimuthal. Okay, so this is the hierarchy of quantum numbers defined at atom level. Okay, so in the next lecture we'll be seeing in depth all the quantum numbers. So till then, good luck and goodbye.